What if you could create a product once and sell it thousands of times without ever restocking, shipping, or dealing with customers face-to-face? That is exactly what digital products make possible. And in 2026, AI has made creating them faster and easier than ever before. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money selling digital products with AI, step by step, from complete scratch. Let us get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. All right, here's your complete step-by-step guide to making money selling digital products with AI in 2026. Step 1. Choose your digital product type. There are 5 main categories of digital products that sell consistently well in 2026. Number 1. Templates. Social media templates, business plan templates, resume templates, email marketing templates, and presentation templates. Number 2. Ebooks and guides, how-to guides, educational resources, recipe books, and self-improvement content. Number 3. Printables, planners, trackers, journals, calendars, worksheets, and wall art. Number 4. Prompt packs, collections of AI prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other tools packaged around specific niches. Number 5. Digital art and graphics, AI-generated illustrations, patterns, logos, icons, and brand assets. Pick one category that matches your interests and the niche you want to serve. Do not try to do all 5 at once. Start with one and master it. Step 2. Use AI to create your product. This is where everything changes. AI tools have made it possible for complete beginners with zero design or writing skills to create professional quality digital product in hours rather than weeks. Here's the exact AI toolkit you need. For written products like ebooks, guides, and templates, use ChatGPT. Give it a detailed prompt describing your product, your target audience, and the specific problem you want to solve. ChatGPT will generate the full content, which you then edit, refine, and format. For visual products like templates, printables, and graphics, use Canva AI or Midjourney. Canva AI lets you generate and design professional visual products without any design experience. Midjourney generates stunning custom illustrations and art that can be turned into sellable products. For prompt packs, use ChatGPT to test, refine, and document your best-performing prompts, and then package them into a clean, organized PDF or digital document. The key is not to accept the first output AI gives you. Refine it, edit it, add your own knowledge and perspective. Make it genuinely valuable for your buyer. Step 3. Set up your digital storefront. You need a platform to sell your products. Here are the 3 best options in 2026. Etsy is the best platform for beginners. It has built-in traffic from millions of active buyers searching for digital products every single day. Set up your shop, list your products, and Etsy brings the buyers to you. Gumroad is the best platform for simplicity. You can set up a product page and start selling in under 30 minutes. It's perfect for prompt packs, ebooks, and digital guides. PayHip is a strong alternative to Gumroad with 0 transaction fees on the free plan. Great for building a more branded digital product store over time. My recommendation for beginners, start with Etsy for its built-in traffic, then add Gumroad or PayHip as a secondary storefront as you grow. Step 4. Optimize your listings. Creating a great product is only half the work. The other half is making sure people can find it. Every product listing must have 5 key elements. 1. A keyword-rich title that includes exactly what buyers are searching for. 2. A detailed description that clearly explains what the buyer gets, what problem it solves, and who it's for. 3. High-quality product mock-up images created in Canva showing exactly what the buyer receives. 4. Relevant tags and keywords that match what your target buyer types into the search bar. 5. A competitive price that reflects the value of your product without undervaluing your work. Take time to research what similar products are selling for and what keywords top sellers are using. The better your listing is optimized, the more organic traffic and sales you'll attract. Step 5. Scale with more products. One digital product is a start, but the real power of this business model comes from volume. Every new product you add to your store is another income stream that works for you around the clock. The more products you have listed, the more chances you have of making sales every single day. Use AI to speed up your production process. With ChatGPT and Canva AI, you can create and list a new product every few days. Within 90 days, you could have 30 to 40 products in your store, each one earning passively. Study your best performing products and create more variations of them. If a budget planner sells well, create a monthly version, a weekly version, and a student version. One idea becomes multiple products. There you have it, your complete 5-step guide to making money selling digital products with AI in 2026. Step 1, choose your digital product type. Step 2, use AI to create your product. Step 3, set up your digital storefront. Step 4, optimize your listings. Step 5, scale with more products. Every step is beginner-friendly. Every step can be started this week with free tools. Now, drop a comment below and tell me, which type of digital product are you going to create first? I read every single comment. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Wealth Odyssey for new videos every week on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.